All right, this is day number 88. We ended up taking a loss, although this was in plan mostly. Seeing how the 1 hour technically didn't close bearish, right? So you needed to see a close here. But seeing this heavy move after failing to push up led me to believe that we were very bearish because number one, look at this. If I long this, I would be playing internal structure. While you got the 4-hour bearish, the 12-hour is also bearish. There's this big fair value gap, although I'm not really expecting it to move down there. I wasn't really trying to catch these lows as well, so that was fine. I was expecting like this to produce the reaction. So you got this, you got the 1 hour that tried to push higher, but we couldn't, and then we sold off pretty heavily. You can say that we respected this order block, and then you got this 1 hour fair value gap. So if you go to the 15-minute, you can see that from down here up until here, well, actually no, because we had that close. So the 15-minute is bearish. The 5-minute was bearish at the time that I tried to get in. So I see this close down here, and I'm thinking of shorting this immediately. Right, so I'm thinking of shorting this somewhere to the Tokyo lows, actually a little bit above. Yeah, so somewhere until here, just to make sure I get filled in. I didn't short it immediately because I went down to the 1 minute. Like if you saw the video from yesterday, I didn't went down to the 1 minute, and the 1 minute was actually bullish, and I took the trade and ended up being a loss. But now I went down to the 1 minute, so I've waited for the break of structure on the 1 minute because I was expecting a continuation down. So a nice move down where you got a break of structure, retest in the order block, and then break of structure again. I just decided to enter here. Stop loss was above that, above this close. And I was betting basically that 1 minute break of structure would lead to the 5-minute break of structure. So that would be bearish enough for this to close. Then you got this nice close. Price then has a nice move down. So I said, okay, I'm going to move my stops. And I moved my stops to here. $30 difference, but it still made sense to move the stops to there. Did that, waited for price. And then I see like this close right here. I see this candle closing here, and I said, okay, should I exit now? I said, you know what? There's still this 1 minute order block that got respected. I'm just gonna bet and see if it holds, because it could very much hold and then break lower, since the 5-minute was, pretty bearish. But yeah, ended up getting stopped out on that. So we basically lost all the profit that we made this week. We were minus $60 for the account, which is not bad. Also not really good, but I guess I was pretty bearish. I kind of failed to account for this untapped 1 hour fair value gap because I was just so focused on us going down. I saw this, but didn't really give much thought because we thought we'd just, whip through it. And you can see that directionally, I'm being right now. Directionally, I'm correct. It's just this move that timed me out. One of the other reasons that I shorted was because I saw this 15-minute bearish order block get respected. I was like, this is perfect. I'm going to go onto the 5-minute. I waited for this, and I said, okay, perfect. I'm going to enter here. So overall, I guess I would have entered the same trade given the information that I had at the time. Sure, I could have waited put my entry above. Where's the tool? I could have put my entry here, maybe, put the stop there, but this is like hindsight. This trade seemed very good to me, especially when we got this close, and then we had this move lower. So that just looked really good to me. And, playing this sort of 1 hour structure is not really my thing, especially when you also have this inverted fair value gap, which got respected on the first wait and the first time that we moved down, and then we just happened to move up again and then down. So yeah, especially when you had that fair value gap that basically got disrespected at the time. So followed the plan, followed the trend. Daily was bearish. 12 hour was bearish, 4 hour was bearish. Just got thrown off by that fair value gap. But there's no way I could have predicted that it would go to my stop and then lower. So overall, pretty happy with the trade. It's annoying, yes, that I took the loss. It's a bit annoying because following the plan and taking losses is annoying, but it is what it is. So hope you enjoyed. I see you tomorrow for my last trading day of the year, just because I'm not expecting too much volatility next week. So hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow for the last day.